If you owe your customer money, you'll need to keep a record of that amount in your books. To do that, you issue a credit note to your customer. You can then either apply it to your customer's existing invoices or issue a refund to that customer. To create a credit note, go to the Invoicing section on the left side menu, select the Credit Note tab in the top header, then click on the plus button in the top right corner. You will be presented with a credit note form. WeKeep automatically generates a serial credit note number. Choose the currency of your credit note and optionally indicate the purchase order details of your customer's request. From the Credit To drop-down menu, select the name of the customer you'd like to credit or directly create it in the form. You also can optionally assign the credit note to a specific project to track profitability by project. If you're VAT registered, indicate the place of supply for WeKeep to automatically generate your VAT reports. Set the date the credit note was created. In the credit note line item, you can optionally choose an item. Items are useful if you're selling the same goods and services frequently. You can create items and set default prices and descriptions in the items sheet. Enter a description for that item and choose the account where you'd like for the credit note to be booked. For example, for a returned item, you can choose an income type account such as sales. This will reduce your sales by the amount of the line item. Indicate the quantity and the price of the item and add a tax rate if it's applicable. The Notes section allows you to enter other important information such as payment instructions or terms. If you'd like to add your company stamp and your signature to the credit note, you can do so by uploading an image in the stamp box here. Once you've completed the credit note, click on Save and Send to directly send the credit note to your customer. If you wish to manually send the credit note to your customer, you can first save the credit note as a draft, then click Send. Applying a credit note to an existing invoice. If a customer has outstanding invoices and credit notes, you will be able to pay off the invoice with the credit notes. To pay off an invoice with a credit note, go to that invoice and click on the Apply Credit Note button that shows up in the Payment section. Note that this button only shows up if the customer has outstanding credit notes. You will then see a list of all of the customer's unpaid credit notes. Enter the amount you wish to allocate from each of the outstanding credit notes to the invoice, then click Apply. Issuing a refund for a credit note. To issue a refund for a credit note, go to the credit note, then click on Record Refund. Enter the date of the refund and indicate the amount you've refunded. Select the account where you've made the payment, and finally click Save.